Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best deck paint that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best deck paint. Relaxing outside on your patio with your friends and family is the perfect way to spend those long summer days. You can chat, catch up, and cook well into the evening. Maintaining your patio can be a cost-effective and simple task, as long as you use the best deck paint as a solid foundation. Applying a coat of paint is an excellent way to seal out the elements. Number 5. Total Boat Total Tread Non-Skid Deck Paint. UV-resistant coating won't fade or peel, easy to clean, scrubbing won't wear away the finish, affordable way to bring your old boat flooring back to life. Main features: easy to apply, long-lasting polyurethane finish, non-skid deck paint. Number 4. Fix-All Skid Grip Anti-Slip Deck Paint. This slip-resistant coating is ideal for making high-traffic areas safer. Add it to a patio, pool deck, basketball court, driveway, step, ramp, or playground to prevent falls. Main features: anti-slip paint, multiple colors available, easy application. Number 3. Montage Signature Interior/Exterior Eco-Friendly Paint. We're committed to the highest quality, environmentally friendly, and a rigorous engineering and testing process for each of our leading professional paints. Main features: made in USA, 10-year warranty, superior coverage and protection. Number 2. Liquid Rubber Smooth Polyurethane Deck Paint. We provide a wide range of water-based, volcan solvent-free products that cure to provide a seamless, fully adhered flexible membrane which prevents water ingress. Main features: durable and waterproof surface, high-performance polyurethane, easy to apply. Number 1. Olympic Patio Tones Deck Coating. With Olympic Patio Tones Deck and Patio Coating, you can give your pool and deck area a fresh, updated look. Just choose the right tone for your patio area, apply the easy-to-use. Main features: no need to mix. Textured for slip resistance. Resists peeling and chipping. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.